Let me show you how to make these healthy cookies. No flour, no sugar, full of protein and energy for the whole day. These delicious and nutritious crunchy snacks are simple to make and packed with wholesome ingredients. To make these healthy energy cookies, start by blending 100 grams of cashews in a food processor for about 30 seconds until they are finely ground, as you can see in the video here. Then pour the ground cashews into a large mixing bowl and add 60 grams of peanuts, 30 grams of almonds, 30 grams of cashews, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 50 grams of dried cranberries. I like to chop up the dried cranberries into smaller pieces so they spread more evenly in the mix, making sure each bite has a bit of sweetness. Then add cranberries to the mixing bowl and give all the ingredients a good mix till well combined. Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey and give all the nuts and seeds another good mix and leave it aside for a moment. Now, take a baking sheet covered with parchment paper and lightly brush it with some cooking oil to prevent sticking. Next, I like to use cookie cutters so all the cookies are roughly the same size. Scoop a few spoonfuls of the mixture into a cookie cutter and press it down with a spoon so that the cookies hold their shape and bake evenly. Then carefully remove the cookie cutter and repeat the process until the baking sheet is full of cookies. Next, bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until they are golden brown and firm. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. While the cookies are baking, take 120 grams of dark chocolate and chop it into smaller pieces to make it easier to melt. Then, put the chocolate pieces in a mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Melt the chocolate in a microwave or over a double boiler, stirring until smooth and fully melted. By now, the cookies should be golden brown and your kitchen should smell amazing. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cook a bit before carefully removing them from the pan. Next, dip each cookie halfway into the melted chocolate, allowing any excess to drip off. Place the dipped cookies on a parchment-lined baking sheet and let the cookies set before serving. If you like these healthy cookies without flour and sugar, then check out also these delicious sweet potato oatmeal cookies here.